Here's how you can reset your passcode on Revolut. First, open the Revolut app and select Login. Next, enter your phone number and tap Continue. Then, tap on Forgot your passcode when prompted. Now you'll have to verify your identity. You can do that by either taking a selfie or uploading an identification document like a passport if required. In the next step, create a new passcode, ensuring it does not contain consecutive or repeating digits. Finally, complete the verification process by entering the one-time passcode sent via SMS or email. If you did not receive the code, wait for the current attempt to expire and then tap on Resend Code. If you fail verification 3 times, contact the Revolut support through the in-app help section. One important thing to ensure is that you are not logged in on multiple devices or using a VPN, as this may cause issues with resetting your passcode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the Financer YouTube channel.